Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the differences between cost and price. Both cost and price are important business concepts, but they have different meanings and purposes. Cost refers to the amount spent to produce a product or service, whereas price refers to the amount charged to customers for that product or service. Let us now understand the major differences between cost and price one by one. Number 1. Cost is the total expenditure incurred to produce a product or provide a service, whereas price is the amount charged from the customer for a product or service. Number 2. Cost focuses on what the business spends, whereas price focuses on what the customer pays. Number 3. Cost aims to determine the total production or service expense, whereas price aims to earn profit and satisfy customer demand. Number 4. Cost is determined through accounting records and actual expenditures, whereas price is determined by market demand, supply, competition, and customer perception. Number 5. Cost is generally fixed and certain in nature, whereas price is flexible and can change according to market conditions. Number 6. Cost is calculated before or during production, whereas price is decided after considering cost and market factors. Number 7. Cost is viewed from the internal management perspective, whereas price is viewed from the external market and customer perspective. Number 8. Cost is influenced by raw materials, labor, overheads, efficiency, and technology, whereas price is influenced by demand, competition, customer value, and brand image. Number 9. Cost can be controlled and reduced by management, whereas price cannot be fully controlled because it depends on market forces. Number 10. Cost is recorded in the books of accounts as an expense or asset, whereas price is not directly recorded in accounting books. Number 11. Cost may or may not be considered for tax purposes depending on tax laws, whereas price is considered for tax purposes because it forms part of revenue. Number 12. Cost helps in budgeting, cost control, and internal planning, whereas price helps in selling strategy and market positioning. Number 13. Cost is relatively inflexible in the short run, whereas price is highly flexible and can be adjusted anytime. Number 14. Cost does not include profit, whereas price includes the desired profit margin. Number 15. Cost is important for business survival and efficiency, whereas price is important for competitiveness and profit maximization. Number 16. Cost is not directly affected by market conditions, whereas price changes significantly according to market demand and competition. In simple words, cost is concerned with the effort and resources used to create a product or service, whereas price is concerned with the value customers are willing to pay for that product or service. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.